And there she is. This week on Building Charles James, my last customer added to her order and now would like a coffee table to match her kitchen table we built last week. If you didn't see that build, watch this one through and I'll link it on the end. It's more of a reason to subscribe and support solo produced content such as this. Subscribe below, hit the notification bell, like it, and let's get into this build. Starting off with the Bailey, taking it from a joiner and converting it to a planer is simple and fast. The goal here is going to be to knock down this aged wood and create even but flat pieces. We're trying to replicate a tree stump for the legs, and there's going to be an order of processes to get us there. Our desired diameter for each stump is 20 inches. Next, we have to figure out the circumference by multiplying the desired diameter by pi. 20 inches multiplied by 3.14 is 62.8. Now, 62.8 inches, I want each slat to be 3 inches. So 62.8 divided by 3 is 20.9. So let's just say 20. So each stump is going to be comprised of 20 slats that will give us a diameter of 20 inches. I have my table saw set to 3 inches, and it's time to get cut. Okay, now for some more simple math. Stay with me here. There are 360 degrees to every circle, and we have 20 slats that make up our stump. I'm looking for the degree to set my Bailey joiner to. Given these slats, we want them as tight as possible for the perfect fit. So 360 divided by 20 is 18 degrees. And each one of these boards mate and share that degree. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So each one of the sides is going to be 9 degrees. I purchased the Bailey joiner planer in a 12-inch width because of the versatility it gave me. My mind is thinking about impeding furniture pieces, art projects, car builds constantly. So as you watch me building Charles James as a business and as a YouTube channel, you'll see this garage cultivate only the finest tools this industry has to offer. If you give an ordinary person the right tool, they can build and design the most extraordinary things. After I was able to finish with 40 boards, I set up my Craig pocket jig so that I was able to not only glue each seam, but pocket screw each one, ensuring a snug fit so that each stump would be extremely solid for my client. I used a ratchet strap to hold the stump tight as I screwed in the second to last side. I took the ratchet strap off and aligned the last screws. To get those in, I used my Festool screw gun with the 90-degree front attachment. I was very happy with the results, but wanted to plane down each edge to give the stump a bit more sphericity. They're looking really good at this point. Thank God for my partner Jolene and her truly prodigious leveling skills. She checks for the high points and I'll sand them down to make a perfectly consistent top and bottom base. It's time for the top of this table to be joined up, each piece being placed together by Festool dominoes. Jolene takes the reins as we measure the table width. I just want to make sure it's up to her spec. We waited overnight for the glue to set up. It's time to unclamp and give this table one last look on top of the stump legs before we oil it up. I'm gonna go test the setup real quick.
It's a big coffee table.
This is a monster.
Massive.
A quick sand, then it's time to use Rubido Monocoats Oil Plus 2C, which is a plant-based hard wax oil premium wood finish. Oil Plus 2C is extremely easy to use. It works by formulating a molecular bond with the topmost fibers of the wood, resulting in a masterful finish which is natural looking and smooth as silk to the touch. And they are not a sponsor, nor do they pay me to say that. But I just believe truly in the products and machines that I use in my shop. I added a few pocket holes to the top of the stump to make it easy to connect to the bottom of the table. And as easy as that, we're done. A coffee table made from 100-year-old lumber. I love what I do as a woodsmith, but today and every day I'm proud to honor our past and present soldiers. So, it's Memorial Day, and I hope you do the same. If you like what you saw, comment and subscribe below. Send it to your friends. DM a link to your mother. Wait around for my next post. And I will see you next time. Happy Memorial Day.